Hi, I'm Adrian Davies, Plant and Transport Director for Griffiths. 2022 is a busy time for the plant department. We've been researching alternatives to diesel-powered engines, including electric and hydrogen-powered technology. Plus, we've introduced HVO fuel, which has helped us achieve our net zero targets for 2022. Another initiative for 22-23 is to reduce idle time and correct digging modes. All our excavators are fitted with telematics, which allows me to monitor the data and benchmark where we are on fuel burn. Our current average idle time for the business is 47%. That's 3% lower than the national average. However, we aim to reduce this to just 25% by the end of 22. How are we going to do this? Well, through our road shows, we'll be visiting every site around the UK and chatting to operators about idle times and fuel saving and how making small changes to operating styles can make a big difference to our CO2 reduction.